Begin with these prerequisites before programming your key fob. Insert your car key into the ignition switch. Cycle the ignition through off, on, and accessory positions without starting the engine. Within 10 to 15 seconds of each ignition cycle, press the lock or unlock button on your new key fob. The body control module will recognize the new fob. You can program up to 8 fobs sequentially, but timing must be precise. If programming fails, the most common causes are timing errors or a weak fob battery. Use an OBD2 scanner app like Torque Pro or Foxwell to verify key fob pairing status and battery health. Aftermarket key fobs have improved in compatibility, but OEM fobs are more reliable. If issues persist, test the fob battery with a multimeter. It should read 3 volts. Leaving a door ajar can abort the process. Online guides and videos are available, but ensure precision in following the steps. Modern Buicks post-2021 support digital keys via apps, but 2018-2020 Regals do not, though aftermarket adapters exist. While DIY is cost-effective, complex BCM glitches may require professional reprogramming.